So Bob's going to put 2 arrays here, 2 times 3. So there's going to be 6 panels on this one. And like he did before, he's pressure treated lumber, post, lagged them together, screw nailed them. Oh yeah, and Daisy's always got to have a photo op. I get a little nervous doing this. I hate putting him in the bucket of the tractor. I just don't trust myself enough. Trying to get the top panel, got the bottom one in. I just got Bob a little bit off the ground here. Hard to do, but they're heavy and it's windy today. You put a little top plate on there that he goes under and that should hold. As long as everything's sort of square, it should pop in, and it did. Yay! Well, we're getting there. Okay, so we knew that was too easy. He put that top one in upside down, so the controller, the wiring is all at the top and all at the bottom of this one, top of that one, top of that one. He forgot to flip the panel, so take it back out and turn it around, put it back up.